What's happening now and what to expect until 2025. Welcome to today's deep dive into the current state of the stock market and what we can expect as we move towards 2025. In this video, we'll explore key trends, current events shaping the market, and major predictions from industry experts. Part 1. Current state of the stock market. The global stock markets have seen significant fluctuations in recent years, driven by various factors like economic recovery post-pandemic, geopolitical tensions, and inflationary pressures. Major market trends. Tech stocks have experienced both growth and volatility, especially with companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia leading the pack in innovation. However, concerns over rising interest rates have caused temporary pullbacks in these high-growth sectors. The energy sector has been booming, with oil prices fluctuating but generally rising due to ongoing supply chain disruptions, geopolitical tensions, and a renewed focus on green energy initiatives. The healthcare sector is seeing sustained growth, primarily due to the ongoing research and development in vaccines and treatments for various diseases, which accelerated during the COVID-19 pandemic. Impact of inflation. Rising inflation is one of the most significant challenges facing the market today. Central banks, particularly the Federal Reserve, have responded by raising interest rates, which has had mixed effects on investor confidence. Part 2. Key events shaping the market. Several major events have shaped the current state of the stock market, including geopolitical tensions. The war in Ukraine and tensions between major economies like the US and China have led to increased market volatility. The sanctions on Russia have particularly impacted energy markets and commodities. Interest rate hikes. Central banks around the world, particularly in the US and Europe, have increased interest rates to combat inflation, which has led to shifts in investment strategies, with a renewed focus on bonds and other fixed-income securities. Post-pandemic recovery. The market is still recovering from the economic shocks caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Although certain sectors, such as travel and leisure, have shown signs of recovery, others are still lagging behind. Part 3. Predictions for 2025. What can we expect for the stock market moving forward? Based on current trends and expert predictions. Technology sector. The tech sector is likely to continue driving market growth, especially with advancements in artificial intelligence, 5G, and renewable energy technologies. However, with increasing regulation and antitrust scrutiny, some large tech firms could face challenges that may impact stock prices. Energy market. The shift towards sustainable energy is expected to gain momentum, and investors may see strong growth in renewable energy stocks as governments push for greener initiatives. However, traditional energy sources like oil may remain volatile due to geopolitical risks. Consumer spending. With inflation potentially easing by 2025, consumer confidence is expected to rise, which could fuel growth in sectors like retail and hospitality. However, this is contingent on how well inflation is managed in the coming years. Geopolitical risks. Ongoing tensions between superpowers could continue to inject uncertainty into the market, especially in sectors that rely heavily on international trade, such as manufacturing and technology. Part 4. Key considerations for investors. For those looking to invest during these uncertain times, here are a few important considerations. Diversification. Spreading investments across various sectors can help mitigate risks, especially given the unpredictable nature of global markets. Long-term versus short-term strategies. While short-term volatility may persist, many experts recommend focusing on long-term investments, especially in growth sectors like technology and healthcare. Keeping an eye on interest rates. With central banks continually adjusting interest rates, investors should monitor these movements closely, as they can significantly impact both the stock and bond markets. Conclusion. In conclusion, the stock market is at a critical juncture as we approach 2025. While there are risks to consider, such as inflation and geopolitical tensions, there are also immense opportunities in sectors like technology and renewable energy. Investors should remain informed, adaptable, and ready to take advantage of market shifts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and investing.